Good morning, class! I have a very exciting announcement to make today. Tomorrow, our entire class will go on a trip to the big Space Museum.
Wow, a trip! I really hope we are going somewhere super fun. Hooray for the Space Museum! We are so excited to see the big rockets.
Please remember to get this permission slip signed by your parents tonight.
Yes, teacher. I will ask my mom and dad as soon as I get home. I must hurry and pack my backpack so I can go home and get permission. I need a great plan to make sure mom and dad say yes. Okay, bus steps. 1, 2, 3. I am climbing up so high now. Now, where should I sit? I want a perfect seat by the big window. What if Mom gets too worried? She always wants me to be super safe. She says the City Museum is too far away. I am really nervous now. Whew. The bus ride is over. Now, I have to try my best plan.
It is a long walk to the front door when you have a big secret plan.
Wow. My backpack feels so incredibly heavy today after school. I must take a short rest first. My little legs feel so tired now.
Welcome back, my little princess. How was your exciting day at school today?
Please go straight upstairs and change out of your school uniform first.
I am making your very favorite lunch. It smells so good already.
Thank you so much, Mom. You truly are the best mommy in the whole world. Up, up, up. I have to be extremely fast and change very quickly. Okay, closet. I must carefully fold my school shirt now. Hanging it nicely helps it stay tidy and completely clean every day. Ta-da! Now I look perfectly clean and very fresh. I must also brush my long hair to look super neat and pretty. Looking good. Okay, now I have to start my special mission downstairs. My mission is to help Mom in the kitchen so she will say yes. I will be the best girl ever, and Mom will be so happy with me. Hello, dearest Mom. What delicious lunch are you cooking today? I must behave like a perfect little angel now so my plan works.
I am cutting some very fresh vegetables to make a yummy salad.
You look busy, Mom. Can I please help you wash the fresh lettuce? Dearest Mom, I am so big now. Let me do it for you, please.
Oh, wow! You really want to help me? That is very kind of you.
Splish, splash. The cool water is washing the green leaves so clean.
Watch me very carefully. This is how we slice the green cucumber safely.
Mixing all the colorful vegetables together is so much fun. Everything is completely finished now. Our lunch is ready.
Lunch smells wonderful today. Come on, let us both sit down.
Our special lunch truly tastes so good with this yummy, fresh salad. I see food! Yum, yum! Actually, Mom, my teacher announced a really big surprise today at school. Mom, could you please sign this important school permission slip for me?
A trip? Wait, this museum is a long distance from our home.
I am very sorry, Mona. But no, it is too far for you.
But Mommy, absolutely everyone else in my whole class is going. I am truly not hungry anymore now. Please just leave me alone. This is not fair. I won't eat my lunch. I won't eat anything.
Hello, my wonderful family. Your daddy is finally back home. Tell me, sweetie, why is my little princess looking so very sad tonight? You can tell me, Mona. Come on, look up at me.
A trip, Dad. The museum. But Mom said she can absolutely not go.
A school trip? Dear. Why did you say she cannot go? Come on now. Just try one tiny bite for your big dad, please.
Okay, Dad. It truly tastes much better when you are here with us.
Trust me, dear wife. The teachers will protect her very safely.
Oh, thank you, Dad. This makes me so incredibly happy. No time to lose. I must quickly pack all my school trip things now. Wait, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my Mona Daily English channel.
Good night, everyone. It is time to dream of big, amazing rockets in space.